Our son is now in Lauder school, so of course we are in the way we are keeping Jewish calendar because our school life, I mean his school life, so our family life is connected with Jewish calendar. So of course we are connected to Jewish calendar, but it's not something which is very important in our family. And when you are talking about tradition, it's very strange and funny because in my family we are not very religious. So when we have some kind of occasions to family meetings like holidays, different kind of holidays, for example, also we can take Eastern, and for example, in my home there were kind of dishes which I found. It was about some years ago. I found that they were kind of Jewish dishes. We just were in my family, and they stayed in my family. So we are cooking these Jewish dishes in some kind of Christian holidays, but we are not Christians. But we are just having these holidays because we'd like to meet each other in this family ground. So during these Christian holidays, we have also Jewish dishes, for example, or some kind of Jewish customs too, with candles, for example. So this is very fun. So I think we built a kind of new tradition, in which these strange mixed customs are very important. I love them, really. I just
like what?
Because they are ours. They are like our individual family, very strange customs. For example, during this Eastern holidays, we are not having this holiday dinner on Sunday, like everybody, but on Saturday, like it is like Shabbos a little, So very strange, many strange customs, but ours.